Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna make this hairband out of granny squares. You're gonna need some granny squares, scissors, a needle, something to measure with, and of course some yarn. You're also gonna need a crochet hook in the size you made the granny squares. I'm gonna show you how you can invisibly join the granny squares, but you can use any method you like. So you have these 3 chains in the corner and you're going through the back loop only of the middle one, and then you're gonna come out of the third one, the back loop only. And then on the other granny square you're gonna do the same. You have the 3 chains in the corner and you're gonna go in through the middle one and you're gonna come out of the third one, the back loop only. And then you're gonna go in through the one you came out, and then you're gonna come out of the next one, also the back loop only. Then you're gonna do the same on the other side, go back in and come back out through the next stitch. Then you're gonna go back in through the one you came out the last time. Then you're gonna do the same on the other side. So you're always gonna work through 2 stitches in the back loop only. And you're also gonna work twice in every stitch. So one time you come out of one stitch and in the next round you're gonna go in through the same stitch. To tighten it, you just pull the yarn and it should straighten it out and you get this really nice flat join. Once you're at the end, you can see the 3 chains in the corner again, and we're gonna basically do the same within the last corner and we're gonna work to the middle one of these chains. So you're gonna go in through there and you're gonna come out of the middle one, and that is how we're gonna finish this step. So you're gonna come out of the middle one on the other side, and then you just pull on both sides, and there you go. I'm also gonna make a tiny little knot here just to secure the yarn tail, and I'm gonna work it through the border so you cannot see the yarn tail anymore. And you're gonna do the same on the other side, just make a little knot to secure it. You're gonna do that to all of your granny squares. So this one is about 40 centimeters long. You can make it as long as or as short as you want, and it's about 16 inches. And then I'm just gonna add a border of half double crochet, and I'm gonna do that in the color white. In the corner I'm just gonna put 2 double crochet, 2 chains, and 2 half double crochet again. There we go. And then we're just gonna continue with half double crochet all the way around. And I'm also just gonna work around the yarn tails, so I don't have to weave them in at the end. In that chain space in the corner, I'm just gonna put 1 half double crochet into it, and then I'm gonna continue like normal. Once you're at the end, I'm just gonna finish with another half double crochet here, and then I'm gonna do an invisible join. So you just cut your yarn off, and then you're gonna pull the yarn through, and then you're gonna go through the first stitch of the round and go back into the last stitch of the round, and then I'm gonna make a tiny knot here. There we go. And then I'm just gonna go through some of these stitches to weave the yarn in. Then I'm gonna cut it off. I'm also gonna do the same with the other yarn tail. Then I'm gonna cut all the ends off. So while working around, I've basically worked around all the yarn tails from the joining and everything, so I'm just gonna cut all of those off. I'm also gonna make some straps, so I'm just gonna make a slip stitch into the corner space, and then I'm just gonna do some chains until I have the length that I want. Then I'm gonna just cut it off, pull it to make it secure, and then I'm just gonna cut it off somewhere there. So my straps are about like 20 centimeters. Or like about 8 inches, but you can decide how long they should be. So thank you for watching.